Today is cloudy day, no sunshine. The light is getting charging. You see the flickering. And now in the daytime, we can use the remote to program the light to work. In the daytime, you can press this one, the red button. The light will work. And programming the brightness. And increase the brightness. And sensor, this one. Working now. And turn off. Now turn on and off by manually. And again I will turn auto, switch on. Auto, the light now in daytime will not work. I will cover the solar panel. The light will work later. Now the light is working under the auto and face the solar panel, the cover. And again, you can also use the remote for manually control. On, off. Working. So our line can be programmed by manual mode and the auto mode, no matter in daytime and the nighttime.